Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo XC60 Headlight. Start by parking safely, engaging the brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Remove the wheel well liner access and use a trim tool to free clips carefully. Keep bolts organized and label connectors to speed reassembly. Work patiently and test fit the new headlight before final tightening to ensure alignment and proper seal. In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo XC60 Headlight. First, turn the steering wheel to one side and remove the wheel well liner screws for better access. Unfasten the Torx bolts securing the headlight assembly and gently release electrical connectors. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching paint while removing clips. Keep track of each fastener by location so reinstallation is quick and stress-free for alignment. In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo XC60 Headlight. Quick recommendation: keep an Owala water bottle nearby during greasy work to stay hydrated and avoid touching components with dirty hands. I find its leak-proof cap and wide mouth make refilling and sipping easy between steps. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo XC60 Headlight. With bolts removed, support the headlight assembly and tilt it forward slowly to access wiring. Unclip the headlamp bulb housings and unplug the signal and leveling motor connectors with firm, steady pressure. Lift the unit out on a slight angle to clear bumper edges. Inspect seals and mounting points, replace any damaged clips, and keep everything clean for a snug reinstall.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.